My friend, this is your Dr.Pannirselvam on behalf of Big Consultancy. So now I am going to discuss with you a business opportunity, a recent business opportunity. You know this cooking oil. Cooking oil is used by restaurants or star hotels and many places. So they are all very certified hotels, certified restaurants, so they cannot use the oil second time because when it is reused, it's banned. But the oil which is already used will be bought by the small restaurant people or maybe like ordinary vendors. So now people tend to go to these shops and buy their snacks or edible items. So that's totally harmful to health. So it will give you a cardiology complaint as well as complaint of liver. So now I think there is a very big finding by the scientists or maybe like the people who are involved in this petrol and diesel. The reused oil can be converted as a biodiesel, which is really wonderful information. So we don't need to sell it to the vendors who are preparing snacks or maybe like edible items. There we go and buy and taste our food. It is really harmful to health. So now the solution now is to convert this as a biodiesel for the vehicle. The inventors are the people who have analyzed the reused oil that has a capacity of 85% efficiency, carbon efficiency to drive your vehicle as like a diesel. And hardly is about 10 to 20% will go for maybe like a wastage. And that product will be converted as a biodiesel, will be used by the vehicles and trucks. It's really a boon success to compensate your huge rise in your diesel. So how will you convert this into the business? So instead of diverting or directing this oil, which is used by the star hotel or maybe leading certified hotels, graded hotels, we restrict the oil to go to the medium-sized hotels or small restaurants or street vendors, so that the people will have to buy an original oil for the first use. So nowhere you will find the second or reused oil. So now how I'll make this as a business is, now this oil is sold by the restaurants of leading types, graded hotels. So now they were selling at the rate of 25 to 27, 28, something like that. Now presently, it is sold at the rate of 35 rupees. Now this is directly given to a big factory located in Chennai. So they will take some sufficient time to convert this as a biodiesel. So the process has already begun. The process has already begun in some of the areas in Chennai. And people tend to buy the product from these leading hotels and sell the product to this industry to convert as a biodiesel. So our job is, I think now people have spent time and people have moved to find out where the oil is available, and the people also tend to supply to the factory to convert as a biodiesel. But now it is not only one place. I think throughout Tamil Nadu and throughout many cities in Tamil Nadu and other places. I don't limit to the audience only Tamil Nadu. That audience spread across India, anywhere in India. The people who use oil first time can sell the product to an entrepreneur or the people who start this kind of business. You can buy the oil, maybe from 27 to 30 or 35. You can sell it for maybe 40 or 45, 50 rupees per liter. So on an average, there are very big hotels are larger in number, not only in a particular metropolitan, it spreads across India, across Tamil Nadu. So the oil can be purchased from them, and again it will be resold. Only it's like a distribution channel. So just purchase and sell, that's all over. For which even if you get 8 rupees or maybe like 7 to 10 rupees of profit per liter, when you just buy about, say, 1 ton or 5 tons or 6 tons of used oil, so you can very easily make thousands of rupees, say about 40,000-50,000 rupees a month. And it becomes a social enterprise because you are safeguarding the people away from this cardiology and liver complaints. Number two, the product is converted as a fuel for the trucks and vehicles and many things. So I think it will have a multiplier effect. One way that is you are taking care of the individual. Another way that you are compensating the revised or costlier price of the diesel. So that diesel give you the 85% efficiency. So it's really a boon to almost most of the people, even including individuals, because the health is well protected, and it is also converted as another biodiesel. So it's one of the good social enterprise which can be taken by any individual, because they will also have a good satisfaction, because that is taken care of the people's health, as well as your reduction in the cost of your fuel. So another way that I think the people who are in the middle and small level traders or food makers, they don't go for reused oil. They will invest only on this used oil, I mean the first time used oil. So every one of us will have a good benefit, and the person who sells his oil will also earn good profit. So it will have a very good multiple affected business. So think it over, and I know the potential is open. Anybody can start it very immediately. Just buy and sell it, because there is a person. Because similarly, the people who convert this reused oil into biodiesel will be a larger number the days to come. So the people will take the oil from you and get it converted into the biodiesel. So since it's a multiplier affected product, you can think of starting this and earn profit and giving the benefit to the community. Thanks for watching, and I'll meet with the next video. Till then, goodbye.